Our task is to take something so fundamental, our counting system, and rethink it. We want to convert 57 to base 4. Our 57 means 5 tens and 7 ones, powers of 10. But now I want to put it into base 4. Let me begin by considering the powers of 4. 4 to the 0 is 1, 4 to the 1 is 4, 4 squared is 16, 4 cubed, oh no, that's too much, let that go. So 4 squared, which is 16, is the highest power of 4 that evenly, well not evenly, that would actually divide into 57, meaning I could see how many 16s I have in 57. Let's check. 16 divided into 57. 16 goes into 57 3 times. 3 times 16, when we multiply, we've got 48. After we subtract, our difference is 9. That means we've got 3 in the 4 squared spot. How many 4s can we get out of 9? We're moving down to the lesser power of the base, 4. 4 divides into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 makes 8. Multiply, now we subtract, and we've got a 1 left over. That means that we've got a 3 in the position of 4 squared, a 2 in the position of 4 to the 1 power, and in the end, just a 1. This number, 57, is the same as 321 base 4. Just for fun, just to check it, that's 3 of those 4 squared, 2 of the 4 to the 1 power, and 1 of 4 to the 0 power. It doesn't matter if my 2 is on the inside here or the outside. It applies only to the 4. That's 3 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1. Yep, 48, 8, and 1 does give us 57. So I know our answer is correct. 3, 2, 1, base 4.